Hey, are you ready for the book club?
I can't go.
Why not?
Cause I got banned.
Anaya.
But it wasn't my fault.
What happened?
I got into this argument with this one girl.
What did she do?
When I was reading out loud, she started making fun of me.
What did she say?
You read like a grandma. Oh!
And what did you say?
Isn't your grandma dead?
Anaya!
What? She started it.
So what happened next?
The girl got mad and pushed me out of my chair.
Oh, Lord. What did you do to her?
I ripped the page out of the book and gave her a paper cut.
Oh, okay. I guess that's not that bad.
And then I made her eat the paper.
You made her eat the paper?